Customize your invoice templates and send branded invoices with convenient payment options to help you get paid up to 2 times faster. To create your own invoice branding theme, start by clicking your organization name and select Settings. Then click Invoice Settings. Select New Branding Theme and the editor will open up. Give your branding theme a name. Make your customizations in the panel on the left and your changes will be previewed on the right. Your address details will be pulled through automatically from your organization details. Select if you want to show your postal or physical address or no address. You can also select what other business details to show. Next, choose which customer details to include. These will need to be set up in Contacts. Now, select the Brand and Styling drop-down. Click Choose Logo to select a file from your device or drag the file into the box. Crop the image and check your work in the preview. Xero will automatically match colours from your logo, or you can select your own colours. You can also change the font used on the invoice. Next, select the content to include on your invoice. You can customize the columns to reflect the services your business offers. For example, you might want to show hours instead of quantity and rate instead of price. Select whether to show tax rates combined in a single line or displayed separately. And turn on a QR code that links customers who use a printed invoice to the online payment screen if you have online payments set up. In the Payment section, add your terms and payment advice. If you haven't added an online payment service, you can tick the box to add one and be taken to the payment setup once you've finished customizing your branding theme. This will allow your customers to pay you online via cards, direct debit, digital wallets, and even buy now, pay later in some regions. Preview what the invoice looks like on desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with how your branding theme looks, click Save Theme. You can also turn on or edit automatic invoice reminders for your customers when an invoice payment is either due or overdue, and set the default due dates for your invoices and bills so Xero can apply it each time you create a new one. And that's it. You've created your unique and professional invoice branding theme. Your invoices will have all the information your customers need to pay you quickly and efficiently. You can customize and save up to 5 themes for customers with different needs, and choose which theme to use when you create an invoice. Search Invoicing in the Help menu to find out more.